and welcome back to C. Marie's Beauty. It's been months since I was able to get around and actually make a video. I kind of feel like once I started the curly hair journey, I did one video and I didn't do any more videos, especially on YouTube. It's just so time consuming. I get nervous talking in front of the camera. You have to sit there and edit it and upload it, and always something goes wrong. So I feel like it's more stressful. So if you don't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I'm a lot more active on there. It's just a lot easier to do it from the phone, especially because I have a new little baby boy here. He was born in April, and he's very demanding. I'm exclusively breastfeeding, so it's really time consuming. If you've done it, mamas out there, you know what I mean. So long story short, let me just try to catch you up real quick. I got pregnant. I kind of did not have the energy to do pre-poos and all this crazy stuff that I was doing before. So I strictly did deep condition once a week, and I used all Curly Girl Method products. To be honest, what I was really using most of the time was the Curlsmith probiotic line, the primer, wash. I have the conditioners in the shower, and then I have the deep conditioner sitting here as well. Everything is almost empty, and the new line just came out with the Rehab. So I picked this up. It was 12 bucks, and I want to do a repair treatment because I haven't done an Olaplex. I did Olaplex 3, Olaplex 0 months and months ago when I first had the energy to do all that. And in the midst of everything, we did get a filtration system put in the house, so we have rain soft water. And what I realized is I really believe that I need to start incorporating protein back into my routine. Since I didn't really have a routine anymore, I would just wash, I would deep condition once a week, and then my hair would be up in a ponytail. I'd air dry it, I won't diffuse it, I was just putting it up. I just didn't have the energy to do anything. So now the baby will be 6 weeks on Friday. Today is Wednesday. Time passes so fast. So now that I have energy again, I'm starting to feel like myself, so I want to start becoming active again. I'm not sure when the next video is going to be, but definitely check out my Instagram. So I finally had the energy to style my hair. This is day 4 hair, straight from the bonnet. I didn't refresh, I didn't even add water or anything. I have really limp pieces here, and what I want to do is do the bond treatment and allow my hair to air dry naturally with absolutely no product in there. I believe I'm going to use this shampoo with this. Well, first the primer, this, and then deep condition. That's why I have these products here for you, so I can show you. And after I'm deep conditioned, I'm just gonna let my hair air dry, no cream, no gel or anything like that, so I can kind of really evaluate, because I did buy hair shears, and I'm going to trim my hair curl by curl. I'm gonna try to get as much dead off as I can, so that's why I wanted to do this repair treatment first, because it really, it drives me nuts that I have some pieces that just aren't even in the flow. And if you don't know, all these pieces, I actually never got layers in my hair. It's just broken from heat damage and all that stuff. So I was evaluating my hair the other day, and I took a look at the bottom layer. First, let me show you what it looks like normal, like that. Okay, and I was like, holy crap, it's so thin on the bottom. So I did this, and I don't know how this is gonna look, but I'm like missing chunks of hair back here, and that's all from flat iron breakage. I didn't use a heat protectant. I actually had a flat iron that had a crack in one of the plates and would rip my hair out, and I didn't even buy a new one. So anyway, that's a whole nother story. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to rinse my hair to try to get as much product out. I don't want to wash it. I want to rinse it, get as much product out as I possibly can, so that this can penetrate. This is supposed to be adding protein-rich products. Oh no, sorry, that's the wrong part. It's not a conditioner. It's a lightweight, intense treatment that helps your hair look stronger. Apply generously on damp hair. So I'm going to wet my hair, dry it up a little bit, apply this to it, allow it to sit for as long as I possibly can, maybe like an hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and condition. So I will turn off the camera, take a picture before, right now, after, I put it in and wash it out and let it air dry. And we're gonna see what my hair feels like then. So then it's not like styled or anything. I just want to see what it naturally does to my hair air dried. I have a pretty good idea of where the damage is and stuff, but hopefully it helps the damaged pieces a little bit more. And I really do need protein, especially because of the water that's changed in the house. And then I realized that my products, I only have like some styling products, but I stopped doing pre-poo treatments. I was doing gelatin treatments and rice water rinses, and now that I completely stopped that over the past like 5 months, I feel my hair is needing strength. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll let you know. This isn't sponsored or anything. I'm a cheapo. I bought the $12 one before I buy the whole line, because I was really having scalp issues in the beginning of my journey. I had a lot of flaky skin, and I thought that's why my hair was falling out. And using the probiotic line, oh, the baby's waking up. Using the probiotic line, I realized I don't have any flaking. I have no problems with my scalp whatsoever. And I actually have absolutely no fallout anymore. But I'm literally, this is probably going to be the last wash. And I found out that's because my husband was using it too. But his hair is looking great. So I was like, do I buy this again? Or do I go ahead and buy the whole new protein line, since I feel like my hair is really damaged and needs protein? I'm not sure. But we'll see how this goes before I go ahead and splurge on that. So I will be back. So I got it all done. I kind of raked it all the way through, then sectioned it again and brushed it and twisted it. And I have to say, I feel like my hair, like that's a damaged part. It's already kind of curling, but it feels so silky and smooth. So I'm really excited. I'm going to keep it on for the max 1 hour. Babe, what time is it? Oh, I got 12:52. I'm going to put it in one of these and heat this up, and I will be back in an hour. Alright, it is now 2:01, and I'm gonna take this off. I think I want to buy a new deep conditioning hot hair thing. This is really heavy, and it doesn't stay hot really long, so it definitely was not even hot for more than 10 minutes. I'm gonna take this off, and I just wanted to kind of, it smells really good. It's like fruity but not overpowering. My hair feels really silky. So I'm gonna shampoo with my probiotic. This is probably, maybe I can get one more wash after that. And I will do a deep condition with the hydro cream. And like, I'm almost out. This was like my favorite one over the summer. Well, over the winter. So I'm going to leave it in for 30 minutes. I'm going to put this back in the microwave and do all that. And then afterwards, I'm not going to style my hair or anything. I'm just going to let it air dry with no product in, so we can really see what this Bond curl did. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, I waited 30 minutes with the hot cap on and the deep condition, and squished the condition before I put it in here. And this is my hair. Ooh, this is nice. I actually feel a difference. I don't know if it's just because the health of my hair is way better than it was when I was doing the Olaplex, or this stuff is better. My hair smells really great, super soft, and it already has definition to it. I don't even think I'm gonna brush it. I detangled it when I rinsed the conditioner, so I think I'm just going to let it air dry by itself. Maybe I'll kind of dry it like this a little bit with the microfiber towel. Like that. I'm excited. Alright, so I'm gonna let my hair dry. I don't know how long it's gonna take because it's not as damaged as it used to. My hair usually doesn't take that long, but I feel like the healthier it's getting, the longer it's taking to dry. So I'll show you what the back looks like. No product. No styling, just straight out the bathroom. Okay. And hopefully I'll be able to record as soon as I dry off. It's really hot today, so I'm just gonna go outside. All right, it is hot outside, and this is real life. I've got the baby strapped to me. We were outside. I was mowing the lawn actually, but I did not brush my hair. I didn't style it. I don't have a leave-in. I think he's hot too. I don't have a leave-in, a gel, nothing. This is Joey. He's the red baby. And then I haven't. It was crazy hair day. Go away.
I got blue hair spiky.
That's the Curlsmith gel. And no pants. This is real life, y'all. So.
Hey, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'll be right there. I'm trying to finish the video. So this is my hair. I didn't brush it. No styling products. Just air dried straight from rinsing the deep conditioner, also by Curlsmith. And like, this definition is awesome. Like, do you see this? This is crazy. Let me show you the back. Whew. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to leave my hair alone today. Maybe later I will trim the ends, although my mother-in-law believes that if I trim the ends before the baby's 3 months old, all my hair is gonna fall out. But I think that's just an old school myth. Everybody experiences hair loss postpartum, but I really feel like it's helped some of the damaged pieces. Like, I don't know if you could see that. Like, there are some kind of straight ones, but I'm sure if I styled it, they would curl up. So I'm really excited to see what this looks like styled, but we won't know until tomorrow because I've had enough for today. Joey's had enough for today. And yeah, so I will finish this video tomorrow. This video is going to officially take me probably 3 days, and I will give you my final thoughts and show you what my hair looks like fully styled. Alright, I am finally back. It is a complete day later. It's almost 9 o'clock at night the following day. It's actually Friday night now. I told you it was going to take me a long time to film the video. This morning all I did was re-wet my hair and then styled it. I used the weightless air dry cream by Curlsmith, and I actually wanted to try the souffle that has a light hold of 5, but I accidentally mixed it up and ended up using the in-shower style fixer, which is a 10, and I was like afraid because after I applied it is when I realized, I'm like, oh my god, it's the extreme hold one. But it didn't leave a crunch at all. I actually feel like maybe because I styled my hair so wet that it diluted it so much that there wasn't even like a cast or anything, which is surprising to me. But this is my results. I had my hair up in a ponytail earlier just because my newborn just doesn't want me to film videos. So overall, I'm like really impressed with the Bond curl. I don't know if it's because the health of my hair is just extremely better than it was previous when I was using the Olaplex, but I did do the Olaplex 3. I did it like twice. I think I got out of 1 bottle, and then I also did the new Olaplex 0 with the 3. That one I didn't really like, especially how to apply the first step to it, but I believe that they are a reason why my hair has been like healthier and stuff. But overall, I don't know if it's because my hair needed the protein boost or whatnot, but I'm gonna have to say that I prefer this one over the Olaplex, which is surprising. So I definitely think I'm gonna get the entire line. The only thing that kind of makes me nervous is I did the little water float test thing, and I don't think I have high porosity hair. Like, I think mine's is actually medium. I used to think that I had very thin hair, but the healthier my hair is getting, the thicker I'm believing that it is. But I do think some parts of my hair is high porosity. Like, you can see some of the more stringier parts. I don't know, I have a blend, so I don't know. Maybe if I like alternate the the wash days with my probiotic in that one, or like mixing it all up. I think works out. Figure out what cocktail is better for my hair. But overall, yeah, like these, it's super defined. It was super bouncy. I definitely feel the difference. It made my hair like super tighter, the curls, if you can see that. So I'm really happy. Like I think it helped with a lot of the stringier pieces, but I definitely still feel like I just want to like get some scissors and cut it off. Like I probably fried these pieces so bad that there's nothing I can do anymore but cut it off. So I'm just gonna keep trying to grow it out. Let me just show you the back really quick. So yeah, I definitely do recommend it. The smell is amazing. And I still have in this little bottle, I mean, it was 2 fluid ounces. I probably can do one more treatment, maybe 2. I don't know if that's the air. Ooh. Oh, but it smells so good. I don't know if it's air that's in there, but at least one more I can definitely do. I'm just gonna put that in there. So yeah, I'm really excited. I don't know if you can tell the difference between my last video and this one, but that's it. Finally, I got through with this video. Hopefully it was helpful for all of you out there. I would definitely try it out, especially if your hair needs protein. And also check me out on Instagram. That's where I'm most active, especially with a little baby boy. So hopefully I will be able to make another video in the future. Until then, I'll see you next time.